Hello everyone, good morning. This is Astig once again. It's been a while since the last recording, and today we're going to replace the serpentine belt, or they call it the drive belt, of our 2004 Toyota Estima in New Zealand. In Australia, they call it Toyota Tarago. This is my cat George helping me to diagnose the problem and locate what's possible option to do to replace it faster. So we're getting all the parts ready. We have some oil as well. We're doing oil change. That's the belt, brand new, and we're going to install that today. Belt. Removing the belt. Hold. So. This will. Removing this. Why do you replace it? Let's find the reason why.
That's the belt.
Because it got some crack in there somewhere. There.
What? Ah, there is
Yeah,
a
so
crack.
it's, and also
That one too.
it's got some crack. Yeah, there.
Yes, I said go home with it.
And we're replacing it with where's that belt? We're replacing it with this bad boy. Let's see if they are the same size. Better be. They better be.
Yeah, they are the same size.
Buy old one into the new one. Anyway, we'll just magically make it happen. 1, 2, 3, cut. Perfect, done. Just installing the belt. Okay, let's start it. First time. Start changing the oil as well. Woo-wee. Let's see. Oh, baby! Working pretty good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, anything. Very good.